Good day everyone. Trust we all are doing good. I'm currently good and welcome to my day 30 video of the 100 days of technical analysis challenge. Today I'll be taking a good look at EUR card. So just let's dive right into it. So let me go to the monthly time frame. Okay. On the monthly time frame, if we take a very close look at structure, we can see we are on a major bull run, like bullish move to the upside, bullishness, bullish significance on the upside to the upside, or to be precise, to the upside, yes. And also dealing with current structure right here, right here, we can see how we had this long move to the upside and this major correction to the downside. So I understand that this is an impulse and this is a correction, so I'll be expecting an impulse to the upside. So what I'll do is I just want to mark out this correction, and this is just a break of counter trend line, or CTL. Okay, CTL break. So a broken counter trend line, and well, okay, color black. We are good to go. Yes. So the break of this counter trend line, and we can see price moving bullishly to the upside, with just almost retesting it. So now I can go to the weekly time frame and let's go check things out better on the weekly time frame. Now on the weekly time frame, let me zoom out a little bit. Okay, just make this align properly. Brilliant. Now on the weekly time frame, we can see how well this moved massively to the upside and wicks everywhere, which caused a rejection to the downside. And we are currently looking at price closing this gap, which it already did, and we are currently looking to long price to the upside. Now, looking previously at what happened at this structure right here, we can see it's relative to structure around there. So I can just pick a box tool, and yes, we can see how well it aligned previously with structure here. So this rejection of price, or reversal of price at this point, was caused by structure at this area. What were the footprint of price, what price done or did before, that's what caused this reversal. And also if I pick a Fibonacci from this low to this high right here, we can see how well, okay, to this high right here, we can see how well it aligns with the 50% fib level. That structure aligns with the 50% fib level, and we had a rejection of price at that area. So more like further confluence, which caused the reversal, and also further confluence for us to go long on it. And looking at previous area of structure right here on the weekly time frame, okay, previous area of structure right here. Wow. You can see how well it broke it massively with just one bullish candle. So we should be expecting a retest of price back to this area before we look to go long. Now to the daily time frame, we can see how well it broke, and one bearish candle already did the retest, never got to the structure actually, and already reversed. So if I do pick a Fibonacci just to place it and understand the retrace that happened, you can see how well it aligns with the 50% fib level here, where that retrace stopped, and all of a sudden we had massive bullish move to the upside. Can take that out, and with this one we can look to just look for longs on card. So I'll actually be looking for longs on card, but not longs immediately right now. I'll wait for this structure right here, this structure high above here to break. So if this structure high above here breaks, or if it does break, then I should actually let me zoom out a little. So I expect this to actually move higher, then come back for a retest of the structure then project, so I can actually have a buy limit order at this area here. If it does break, if the break has happened, then I expect a retest back to this level, then a buy limit order I will have around here, then project price up further. Now to the 1 hour time frame, we can see how well it's moving to the upside on the 1 hour time frame, and conference is just in place. If I do pick a trend line from this point, this is just a CTL break of a corrective structure. It's this small retrace which acted as a retest, then price just projects to the upside. So my bias on ER card is to go long on it, like go long big time on it. Just to actually go long on it at this point right here. So possibly this high. So it's actually a long term trade for me. So I'll be looking to go long on ER card. If you do have bias in alignment or against what I've said, please do drop it in the comments down below. I'm open to criticism, positive or negative, and also to correction. And please do like and follow. Thank you.